Welcome back to a 7 days Google AdMob challenge. This is day 5 of this very challenge. If you've been following from day 1, congratulations, we are about to launch our AdMob app together in this particular video. If this is your first time watching this challenge, you've already made the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 of this very challenge. Okay, you can simply go back and follow us through so that you won't miss any part. We are currently on the day 5 of this very challenge, where we're going to be launching our application and then publishing it on stores. All right, so without further ado, let's head into the day 5 of this very challenge. Okay, so this is the day 5 of this challenge. For this particular section, we're going to be launching our application on stores. Okay, but before we launch our application on store, we're going to be doing 3 simple steps in this very video. The first step, I'm going to simply show you the global app stores where you can actually list your application. Okay, so secondly, we're going to be choosing the app stores to launch our application right now in day 5. Okay, and thirdly, I'm going to be showing you the live listing of this particular application, where we're going to simply hit on the publish and other promotional details on how you can actually promote your application and make it go viral. Okay, so remember, yesterday we built an application for a student, right? So I'm going to be launching this particular application that we monetized yesterday right now, being day 5. Okay, so without further ado, let's head into the first step of this day 5. Okay, global app stores where you can actually publish your application and get downloads to it. This is the first app store that I like so much. It is called Apkpure. All right, a platform where you can actually see a lot of applications. Okay, both games, both applications, utility apps, any type of app, you can actually see them here. Okay, and you can actually go ahead and publish your application right now here on this very platform and get more recommendation, get more download to your application. All right, remember, I'm going to simply show you how you can publish on this store. So the second store you can actually go for right now is the PalmStore, and this one right here is one of the app store that comes with your Android phone when you buy it newly. So the third app store you can actually go for right now is this one right here, which is Apkpure. Okay, it has a section where you can actually publish games. It has a section where you can publish application. All right, both premium and free apps, okay, are all qualified to be here. You just need to click on this publish button right here, then you submit your APK. So the third one we have on this very list is Play Store, Google Play Store, and this is coming from Google itself. Okay, so this is Play Store. You can actually go ahead and create a Play Store account. The next one, apps.microsoft.com. all right, so this is where you can actually publish games, you can publish mobile apps, you can publish Android apps, you can publish iOS app and also Windows app. Okay, so the number 6 on this very list we have the Apkpure. All right, so this is the Apkpure. The last but not the least is the App Store. This is basically for only iOS apps. Okay, so you can actually publish your application by going to the App Store console section for developers, then you upload your application, and this one right here is going to be for iPhone users. Okay, so these are the 7 best app stores you can actually go for right now and publish your application, but not all of them are free, because all of these ones right here requires you to pay money. This one requires you to pay money, this one requires you to pay money, this one also requires you to pay money, and lot. Okay, so we're going to be uploading our application right now for free without paying a dime. All right, we need to simply head straight to the step 2 is to choose our stores and asset. Okay, I've already made some videos on how to publish both on Amazon App Store and other platforms. Okay, just search for Mr. John Francis upload app. All right, then you're going to see right here, this is how to upload your app on Amazon App Store. But before that, let's head straight to uploading our application without stressing it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is simply go head over to your browser again, go to the next browser. Remember, we are covering the step 2, which is choosing our app stores and assets. Okay, so we're going to simply choose the App Store first, which is the Apkpure, and also choose the PalmStore store. Right, so go over to this section, search for Apkpure developer console. While on that, then go to another browser again, just search for PalmStore developer console. Okay, so these are the 2 things you're going to simply search for me. Then go back to the Apkpure, then click on this first. This is the Apkpure. Then we're going to simply sign in, do the same thing on the PalmStore. So click on this sign in developer console. Then this is going to simply take you to your app, and you're going to see some application we've already submitted and lots more. Okay, then select the PalmStore, then click on login. All right, so you can see right here we also have some application that is already live on this very platform. Okay, so I'm going to simply go ahead and come over to this very section. The next thing you have to do right now is simply click on this create new game or app. Okay, then click hit on this. So remember, when you're doing this, make sure you have your application, your APK file or your AAB file. Okay, so if my team are building your application and also monetizing it for you, then they're going to simply send your APK and also your AAB file to you. Okay, then do the same for this. Click on add application. Okay, so you have to add your package name and also your app name. Okay, then click on this post button. Then let's do the same for this. come over to this section. This is for PalmStore. Remember, we are doing this at the same time. Okay, so we are publishing on 2 stores at the same time on day 5. Okay, let's take the application name as this. Then for the language, select English. For the app type, select app. Okay, we are not publishing game but app. Okay, then hit on the next button, then click on OK. Then this is what they said here. We're going to simply upload our file, and on this section right here they said we can also upload our APK file and all of that. Okay, so this is what we have the app name here, and select the app type, select app, and then click on the category, then select the category of your app. Okay, so let's say auto and vehicle, that is the category. Then we'll have to simply add our app icon. Remember, I told you about app sizes and also the icon sizes. Okay, it has already started happening. We need 512 times 512. All right, so go over to Canva, simply click on this, then click on this section that says custom size. Just add 512 pixel. Okay, then click on create new design, then click on upload files. So this is the APK file, this is the app icon, then click on open. Okay, you drag it here, then click on this save button, you download it. Right, then go back here, click on app icon. This is the one we want. Open it. You're going to see right here, this is going to simply start loading. You can see it's visible now. Okay, so the content rating, just select everyone. Then privacy policy, you can actually create some privacy policy from your own website. Short description, this is what we want. Copy the name of the app, go to ChatGPT. This is what you're going to simply write. Okay, you can actually get it on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. I'm uploading my app on the App Store, and this is what my app does. So in bracket, you're going to simply put in the function of your application. Okay, add it inside this bracket. Okay, and then followed by, so I want you to give me both short and long form description for the app, keyword, and launching ad and promo copy for my app. Okay, the app name is Autopath AI. Okay, so you're going to simply add your own app name right there and click on the send button. Then ChatGPT is going to simply give you all the details you need for your app listing. Okay, you're going to simply use these same details for all your listings. All right, so let's allow it to load. Then we're going to simply copy the short description first. Then go back here, then remove powered here. Okay, then the long description, copy it, come back here, add it here. All right, this is where the screenshot comes in, but we're going to simply add the screenshot later. Okay, so let's do the same for PalmStore. Right here, this is the application. Then click on this upload button. Then this is going to simply upload the APK file. Okay, so while that is uploading on PalmStore, we're going to simply add the details as well on PalmStore. Okay, you can see this is the name, app type, app category. Okay, then click on this unlimited, click on no name, you add it. Okay, short description, you copy from ChatGPT as well. You add it here, full description, and this is also part of it. Okay, so I'm going to simply add that later. Okay, these are the keywords. Add them here. All right, so after adding the keywords, then scroll down here, click on this app icon. You can see this one right here supports another size of app icon. Okay, 180 by 180. Okay, so let's add it. Come back here, the home page, click on new, and add 180. Okay, so select it from here, drag it, then click on this share button or download, then come back here, click on this icon button. This is the second one. It is uploading. Okay, remember we are now at the same level with Apkpure. Okay, so where we're going to simply be adding the screenshot. Okay, we have already taken some screenshot of the app. You can see right here. When you take some screenshot, go to your app, Canva app, upload them there. They say they want the graphics, then this is the size. Okay, so all you need to do is simply pick the size, then add a screenshot for all of these. Okay, so I'm going to simply do one and complete the rest because I don't want this video to be a longer one. All right, let's do 1024 times 500. Okay, 1024, then 500, then click on it. Okay, click on this recently used. This is what we have here. You can drag it. Make sure you duplicate this into 3 different places. That's if you want to use the portrait. Okay, so I just want 3. Okay, for the background, you can change the background color. First of all, you have to import the application details so that you know the type of background you want to use. So for instance, if I want to go with this one, I can add this one here. Then for this one, I can add it here. Then for this, I can add it here. You can simply decide the type of background you want to use. Let's say blue. Okay, you can see why this is the blue color and this is black. Since this blue is okay, or you can actually make it gradient. You can add gradient, something like this. Okay, and you can decide to edit it. Okay, then click on this button. To edit it, you have to simply come here and select how you want it to look like. We want sky blue. Okay, one sky blue, something like this, exactly like the application interface. Okay, so for the gradient, then this one is okay for me. This one is okay for me. Then I can actually go ahead and click on this save button, then click on this, save it. Then you come back here, you click on this. This is where it is here. You can see it. Then click on open. If the size is not correct, it cannot load. It will tell you error. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually go ahead and design this. So I'm going to simply finish the rest, then we'll continue this segment. Okay, so we've already added everything about the screenshot and all of that. Okay, then click on this save and submit. It went successfully. It has been submitted. Let's check it out. You can see right here, this is what we have here. This is the version 9.8. It is verifying it. They're going to simply verify this application and approve it. Okay, then if you come back to this very section, this is for Apkpure. Then scroll up a bit. All the details has been completed. All right, then scroll down and click on this save button. You can see save successfully. And the next thing we have to do right now is simply upload our APK file. Then click on this. This is our APK file. Open. So you can show right here the app has been uploaded, the APK has been uploaded. The next thing you have to do right now is simply hit on the publish button. Simply give it like a few days for them to approve it, and we are already set. Okay, so we've already concluded the day 5 of this very challenge by uploading our app on the stores. Okay, that's going to simply lead us on to the day 6 of this very challenge, which is to get your first 1,000 users even while the app is still pending on app stores. Okay, there are a lot of things you can actually do. There are a lot of ways you can actually market your application, promote it, and get people to start using your application. And that is what I'm going to simply review by day 6 of this very challenge, which is the next section of this very video, dropping up tomorrow. All right, if I were you, I will not miss any part of this very challenge, and it's going to simply be massive. So if you're ready for day 6 and day 7, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon. Join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel so that you won't miss any part of this very challenge. So I'm going to see you on the day 6 of this challenge.